Hi everyone, welcome. We got a project we're going to show you we just completed, but this is what we used to complete it with. So, husband is going to tell us what he did. It's a raised paneling on a wall and it looks fabulous. So, what do we got?
So we used 20 pieces of tongue and groove paneling. It's 8 feet long, and basically this is the tongue and groove you can see here. So we ended up cutting the ends off. We ripped them down to flat stock, which is both sides are flat stock to make our boards. You can see on the boards they were rough lumber because they were on sale for $9.99 a bundle, which is worked out to $40 for all the wood.
And you got some safety gear that we're going to talk about too.
So while you're table sawing it, you'll see pieces fly back from the tongue and groove. So you use your earmuffs and you use your face shield to make sure that you're not hit in the eye and your ears are protected.
Okay, so now let's go around the other side because I want to see or show them what you use to actually make the board look better. Okay, now we're not promoting these products. It's just ones that we used. So tell me about this one.
So the little flaws that are in the wood, we use this spackling compound to fill the holes up. I just use a small card and basically slide it along and then fill the holes up, and then I sand that off later. And then I put 2 coats of this interior design eggshell paint to cover up the boards into the color that we want. They can use any color.
We wanted flat, right? So this is
eggshell.
Eggshell.
Yeah, scuff resistant.
Okay, so now we're going to go in and see what the master did. Okay, so we're in the room and he's going to explain a little bit more. But you can see we did this wall and I am super stoked. And it kind of has a bit of a spa feel to it now, nice and bright. And we also found these tables at the side of the road and we cut them in half so that we have one on each side. Okay, what can you tell us, please? Because I'm so excited about this wall. We just completed it last night. About what you did here.
So we broke the wall down into equal segments. These work out to about 15 7/8 center line of the uprights. So we put the uprights on first, and then we filled all the spaces in a design that Lori came up with to make it look presentable. So each design is approximately 15 7/8 inches to the small blocks and double that for the large blocks. And we laid it out and started putting the boards up. And then we used the same filler we talked about in the garage to fill all the side holes and all the brad nails once you put it on the wall. And then we repainted that with another coat.
Okay, so we are ready now to have, should any guests arrive, a place for them to stay. So I'm going to back off now, show you a little bit more. And the second table is over here. So it really is a fun spot all of a sudden. But thanks for watching, and you can do this too.